Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to be trying out this concealer. Can't wait. Hey guys, my name is Cami and welcome to this video. So we're going to be trying out the Charlotte Tilbury new Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. Normally I do wear tests on this channel on foundations, skin tints, and things like that. So subscribe to the channel if you enjoy videos like that and makeup and beauty in general. You guys, this package came in the mail. I put on lashes, they're still drying, and I have on some makeup, but I don't have makeup down here because I left it open because I want to try out the concealer. So I'm super excited, you guys. Oh my gosh. So here it is. So this is my first time ordering from the website. So this is the color 8 medium. I have some other Charlotte Tilbury products and I got them in person and I ended up making the mistake of getting some colors that weren't a good color match, but I have a pretty good feeling that this is going to be a good color match. The model on the website was wearing this color and I believe she's African American, but she's probably like 2 shades lighter than me. She was wearing this one. Oh wow, it does look very, very bright, but I'm excited to try it out. This is really, really pretty. I think it's a glass bottle. I kind of can't tell. It's like, oh, nice doe foot applicator. Okay, and it's small. It's not like huge. This color is very bright. I'm hoping it really works. Okay, so before we put this on, you guys, I'm just gonna do a little bit of a foundation. Then we're gonna put this on top. So my point in trying out this concealer is not to see if it's gonna cover my blemishes. It says that it's a medium concealer and that you can use it for your face to cover your blemishes, probably also contour, things like that. I wanna see how radiant this is gonna be under my eyes. I just wanna know, do I like the way it looks under the eyes, reflected with the lights and things like that. So that's what I'm going to do. And so since that's what I'm using it for, not necessarily to cover these blemishes, even though it probably will, I'm going to go ahead and put on some foundation and then we're going to come back. Yeah, so we're gonna put the concealer on top of this foundation right up under my eyes. I can't wait to put concealer on top of this. Yeah. Okay, so I have on my foundation. I've come closer. My foundation is like a medium coverage foundation. Actually, I'm gonna take the foundation off of this blemish here so you guys can see how it does. But then also I normally will put concealer over the foundation because I normally bring the foundation all the way up to below my eyes like it is here. So we're gonna see if it covers this. Also, we're gonna see how I normally do it, which I would cover that with foundation and then just put concealer on top. So you can see that this blemish is a little red, it's a little irritated. I'm thinking that this color is gonna be fine, but we shall see. So I'm gonna apply a little in the inner corner. Okay, right away, it's very, very moist and it feels like it should be very hydrating. I'm going to put it on top of this blemish here and let it sit there and see how that goes. Oh, it does seem like thicker than medium, but we'll see. So I have quite a bit of concealer on. Actually, let's go ahead and put some here, a little bit here. And one of my favorite places is down here. I have no idea if I'm wearing too much. I don't know. I could have gone overboard, guys, but at least I'll be beautiful. My eyelash dare come off. Don't do that to me. I'm so excited to see how this goes. All right. Oh, it looks like it dries down pretty fast. Okay. Dry already. Wow. Okay. Oh, it is really pretty. My under eyes all of a sudden look healthy. Wow, yeah. Okay. Time to see if it covers this blemish. Wow. Wait a minute, it was red and supposedly this is medium coverage? Letting it sit a while helped. Wow. Oh my gosh. And did I actually get a color from the internet correct this time? I think it's a good color. You know, because I got to put like the bronzer on and blend some more, but oh, this is nice. I didn't even work that hard. And I'm using like the biggest brush ever to do this. Why did I choose this brush? And I usually like full coverage, but I'm pleasantly happy with this medium coverage because it looks beautiful. Yeah, I've had my eye on like a ton of her products. Okay, even though it's like hydrating and stuff, you guys can see like I've got like meat under my eyes and stuff. It hasn't like creased yet or anything, and I've just been chit-chatting and oogling. I like this. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out. Oh, I'm so happy. This was so worth it. Oh, that's so nice, so nice. All right, guys, I'm not even gonna set it because this is it. Plus it's 9:17 at night and I gotta wash my face and go to bed. But this is pretty. All right, guys, I will see you in another makeup video very, very soon. I need to follow up with my last couple of videos. I need to follow up and I need to talk to you guys about a couple of things. So don't forget to hit the notification bell if you have not done that already so that you know when I upload more videos. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my very next video. Bye.